In the creative world, you need to be the best. Not even just be it, you have to actually act like the best. And you probably already realized this and know this, but you're not taking action on it. And you know the potential you have if you just took it serious. If you keep treating it like a hobby, it will never go far. You might get like a little bit of money, but that's about it. If you really want to take it serious, you have to put in the work. You can't get clients or placements or whatever your goal is without putting in the fucking work. It's kind of like getting flower seeds and putting it into soil, and then you're watering it for a little bit, then you just stop and the flower starts to grow just a little bit, and then you stop. It's gonna start dying out before you even got to flourish. That's what happens when you're not consistent or you don't take it serious. You kind of just do it when you feel like, and you're never gonna go where you want to go. The more attention and energy and practice you give your craft, the more you will grow and flourish. On the other hand, if you don't do anything, you're gonna fail horribly. If you don't put in that work that everyone else is putting in, you're gonna be looking at them like, why am I there? Why am I, getting all them clients? Why am I doing all that? It's all because you aren't putting in that fucking work. Now, I'm going to give you guys kind of like an idea that I use personally, and it's, the idea of kind of creating urgency. If you were to, if your goal is to get a certain amount of clients every week or every month, set that amount of clients, even make up fake ones like for rappers, like concept clients, and set a deadline. And I do it daily, so I make cover art. So what I do is I set, say, 3 cover arts that are due today, and what that does is it prepares you. And when you mix that with consistency, you will eventually get that. And what that is basically is, it is the purest form of the law of cause and effect. And what that is basically is, what you put in is what you get out. You already know what I'm about to say, but if you put in the hard work, the results will reflect that. And I think everyone needs to actually work and, create with that mindset. And you need to realize that nothing comes your way without, putting any work in. If you really try your hardest and you really put your effort into, doing what you want to do, you're going to succeed, trust me. You keep a vision in your mind, you're going to get there. Now, if you don't want to actually work on your craft, that is okay as well. Just don't expect to be, succeeding like everyone else. Don't expect, not to fail or put it to waste. That's just what's going to happen. And hopefully this video kind of, helps you guys out, opens your mind up a little bit. Put the work in. Especially if you have a vision for this and you want to take it even more serious, put the work in.